Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So for today's video, Crystal had lost a bet, so she's doing a recipe for us. But you didn't tell me the name of the recipe yet. What is the name of it?
Well, it's with chocolate chips. So I decided to call it Vanilla Chocolate Cookie Swirl.
Okay, that sounds good. What should we do to get started?
Okay, you see those vanilla wafers that aren't crunched up?
The ones that are still whole? Yep, I got a whole bowl of them right here.
Yep, we'll be right back because we're gonna lay those on the bottom of the casserole dish because we already sprayed it.
Alright, so we've got our nice layer of vanilla wafers here, So what should we do next?
Now here comes the fun part.
Okay.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Alright. Got a jar of peanut butter here.
And since it's a small one, we're going to use half now and half later.
Okay. This is a natural peanut butter, so we've got to stir it really well.
Yes. We're going to use half now, and then there's going to be a step where we're going to have to use half the jar later.
Okay. Alright, our peanut butter layer is on. What should we do next?
Well, half of it anyway.
Half of it. Yeah, half of our peanut butter is on. This is looking good.
Now here comes something I bet you guys weren't expecting. M&Ms.
M&Ms. Yep. Got a bag of mini M&Ms here.
You're going to use that whole bag?
The whole bag? Alright. Alright, whole bag of M&Ms. That looks good. I love me some M&Ms. I don't know about you.
I can't eat those, but this is why it's for your house.
Yeah. Alright, what's next?
What's next is half that jar of honey.
Alright. Drizzle some of that on. Alright, that's good.
Now, can you guess what's next?
The chocolate?
Yep.
Alright, we melted a whole bag of chocolate chips here. So we put all that on?
All of it, yep.
Alright. That is on. This is looking good. Look at that. What should we do next?
The rest of the peanut butter.
Alright. Alright, peanut butter is on. Look at that. Can't wait to try this. What should we do next, Crystal?
Next, here comes the good part.
Alright.
The crushed vanilla wafers.
Alright.
Renee taught me all about, food processors. I didn't know the difference between a food processor and a blender. She taught me today.
Yep. That can be pretty handy.
Yeah. And thanks for teaching me.
You're welcome.
I might ask for one for my birthday.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea. Alright, that is on.
And our next ingredient, well, final ingredient, actually, it's the rest of the honey.
Alright. Drizzle it. honey.
Who doesn't love honey?
Mm-hmm. Alright. Should we get it in the oven?
Oh yes.
Alright, so we preheated that to 400, right?
Yes, I believe it was 400.
And how long should we put it in for?
We're gonna put that in for 25 minutes.
Okay, should I put the lid on it or no?
Yes.
Alright, so I'll put the lid on it and we'll put that in the oven for 25 minutes and then we will be right back.
Yes.
Alright, it is done. It looks so good. We've cut out a nice slice right here to do a taste test. And here we go. Alright, that tastes really good. I hope you give this recipe a try for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.